me complete the setup of the pond filter. All right. So in here, we have a one inch hose that is 20.7 feet. That's probably something special in meters, but I really don't know. It has a 1 inch inside diameter on it. No magic about this. It does have some hoses and some fittings in here with it, which is nice. Because you can always use hoses and fittings. Nicely packaged. And here is the actual product. There's more in there. This is the actual product right here. It's got a bunch of adapters if you want to use them. Some angled adapters if you want to use those. I don't think those will work in my case though, because mine are male. I don't have any male-to-male couplers here, so that's okay. But I still have clamps that came with it that I'll be able to use. But that's the hose. Basic pond hose. Can't go wrong with that, right? So that's going to go over here.